বন্ধুসকল, আজি আমাৰ ৰশ্নিৰ স্কুলত এনুৱেল ফাংচন চলি আছে। তো মই গৈ আছোঁ চেণ্ট্ৰেল পাব্লিক স্কুললৈ। আপোনালোকে ধুনীয়াকৈ চাই থাকক। তাইৰ আজি ডেন্স আছে, নাজানো তাই কিবা ডেন্স কৰিব, গম নাপাওঁ আৰু তথাপি গৈ আছোঁ, আপোনালোকে চাই থাকিব। এয়া আমি পাই গ'লোঁ তাইৰ স্কুল, চেণ্ট্ৰেল পাব্লিক স্কুল। অলৰেডি আৰম্ভ হৈছে।
After that, we will have Sanito's group of KG, and they will perform the rhymes, and it will be guided by Lima Miss. She is a class teacher of KG. Followed by Chadni of class 3, Assamese solo song. Now I would like to request the in charges of green room along with the convener Moibul Haq Muzumdar sir to get ready 5 items always, because we have lot of agenda. We can see here, if we want to finish within the duration of time which have been said, so we will have to get ready 5 items always. So I am expecting and I am asking your cooperation to conduct the rest of the program. Here is the nurseries Rishans group for English group dance.
Can we We are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause we believe it. We are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause we can see it. Let's do the world, let's keep the best. Raise that, oh yeah. Let's do the world, make it imagine. Raise that, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respecting love the only way. If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open to every day. This one plus two, rendezvous, all in one day. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are. We are the dreamers that make it happen, 'cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen, 'cause we can see it. Let's do the world, let's keep the passion. Respect, oh yeah. Let's do the world, make it imagine. Respect, oh yeah. We are the dreamers that make it happen, 'cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause we can see it. Let's do the world, let's keep the passion. Respect, oh yeah. Let's do the world, we can imagine. Respect, oh yeah.
Thank you, Rishan's group. Being a kids, being a founder, students, they are nicely performed, and it was guided by the class teacher, Deepa Miss. I would like to thank her also. Now,
ভয় কৰিছিলে নেকি হে ভয় কৰা নাই ন ধুনীয়া হৈছে